This is the Meopta Meopro Optika6 locking turrets. You can hear the tactile, lightweight, underdamped feeling. You can see how it kind of pops some, but if you're quickly spinning the dial, it doesn't really matter. You can compensate that with your own muscles. The controls are generally average, not super heavy. No, there's no locking windage as far as I know. It's just locking elevation. And throw lever, maybe a little bit stiff, but medium weight, and it's also positional. You can change the position of the throw lever.